Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to 2230, where we delve into the latest developments in news and politics, especially those unfolding in the Asian region. Today, we have a significant update on the prolonged civil suits involving the alleged misuse of public funds, particularly concerning the Aljunied-Hogang Town Council, AHTC, and Sengkang Town Council, SKTC. In a recent ruling, the Court of Appeal has ordered both AHTC and SKTC to pay a total of about 388,800 Singapore dollars in costs and disbursements for the appeals related to these civil suits. These legal proceedings targeted 8 defendants, including prominent Workers' Party (WP) leaders Ms Sylvia Lim, Mr Low Thia Khiang, and Mr Pritam Singh, alongside their former managing agent FM Solutions and Services, FMSS, and 4 other former town councillors or employees. Let's break down the financial implications of this ruling. AHTC is required to pay 176,241 Singapore dollars and 11 cents for 2 appeals, while SKTC has to pay 212,543 Singapore dollars and 52 cents for 3 appeals, encompassing town councillors, employees, and FMSS executives. The Court of Appeal, composed of Chief Justice Sundaresh Menon and other distinguished judges, clarified that costs are typically granted to the prevailing party. In this case, the town councillors and employees achieved substantial success in their appeals, overturning multiple findings by the trial judge, justifying their entitlement to costs. Importantly, the court noted that SKTC experienced greater success in the appeals compared to AHTC, emphasizing that the victorious party in legal proceedings is entitled to recover costs from the unsuccessful party. Despite AHTC's argument that it should be considered the prevailing party, the court highlighted that most issues raised in the appeals did not favor AHTC. This decision follows the Court of Appeal's comprehensive 38-page judgment released on November 29, providing detailed reasons for mandating the payment of costs by the 2 councils. The court emphasized that the defendants successfully overturned the trial court's rulings, despite AHTC achieving some success against the town councillors and employees. Moving beyond the financial aspects, it's crucial to revisit the substantive judgments made by the Court of Appeal earlier this year. The court ruled that former town councillors and employees of AHTC had acted in good faith when awarding contracts to their managing agent without an open tender. Notably, Mr Pritam Singh, Mr Chua Jihan, and Mr Kennethu Sek Kwan were cleared of liability for control failures in the system. However, the court found WP leader Sylvia Lim and former Party Secretary General Low Thia Khiang liable for negligence in the AHTC payments process. This judgment provided vindication for the Workers' Party and its senior members, dispelling allegations made since the suit was filed in 2017. The court extensively scrutinized the roles and responsibilities of the defendants, concluding that Ms Sylvia Lim was liable to STC in negligence for causing AHTC to award a contract to Red Power Electrical Engineering Pte. Limited. Mr. Low and Ms. Lim were also found liable to AHTC for negligence in allowing control failures in the system to occur. Additionally, the managing agent director, Ms. Howong Fan, and her late husband, Danny Low, were found liable for the same negligence. Interestingly, the Court of Appeal brought a complete reversal for FMSS, stating that the company is not liable to either AHTC or STC in any respect. This contradicted the lower court's judgment that initially found FMSS liable for dishonest assistance in knowing receipt. As we await the finalization of expenses related to the actual trial, it's important to note that these costs will only be determined once the assessment of damages has been completed. The Court of Appeal previously decided that the costs of the trial should be decided by the trial judge after damages have been assessed. considering the trial judge's better position to assess costs in light of the decision and the appeals and the actual damages that may be assessed. This legal saga has been a complex and multifaceted journey, and we will continue to keep you updated on any further developments. If you found this analysis informative, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to 2230 for more in-depth discussions on news and politics in the Asian region. Your engagement is crucial in fostering a vibrant community of informed viewers. Until next time, stay informed and stay engaged.